So, a little bit of backstory. My friend Jaron got these milkweed bugs for an experiment in his entomology class. And after his experiment ended, before spring break, he gave them to me. So, he gave me 5, and after a month, they have multiplied. And now I have a ton of bugs and even more coming. So, there you go. There they are. The adult bugs that are these, they look like this. They range from 10 to 18 millimeters with an average of 14 millimeters and standard deviation of 1. Our broad sense heritability is 0.85 and our realized heritability is 0.67. So our truncation point is going to be the initial mean plus the standardized selection point, which you can get from the table. We're selecting for the top 10% of the population times the standard deviation. So that's going to be 14 plus 1.282 times 1, and that's going to be 15.282. So the bugs that have a length above 15.282 will be selected as parents. And our selection differential is going to be the selection intensity, which you can also get from the table, times the standard deviation. It's going to be 1.755 times 1, so 1.755. So this is the difference between the mean of the original population and the mean of the selected parents. And the mean of the selected parents is going to be the initial mean plus the selection differential. It's going to be 14 plus 1.755. That's going to be 15.755. The response from selection shows how much the length changes over a generation. That's going to be the realized heritability times the selection differential. Be 0.67 times 1.755. That's going to be 1.1759. So the mean of the progeny generation is going to be the initial mean plus the response from selection. That's going to be 14 plus 1.1759. So the mean of our progeny generation is going to be 15.1759. So this is the histogram of our original population. The mean is 14. This is our truncation point. We have length in millimeters on the x-axis and number of bugs on the y-axis. And in our progeny generation, the mean is 15.1759, and it is left skewed. So this response might decrease in later generations because this increased length may not be healthy. So they may have difficulty mating due to their body length, which would decrease the number of offspring. They might have trouble with things like mobility or molting, which would be detrimental to their survival.